Yo, what is up? It's Mike LaCroix. I'm back with another video. So today, I've got a few bullet points here on my computer. And I just wanted to talk about how to meal prep as a bodybuilder, or just if you're into fitness, how to meal prep for work, or if you're a student. Um, this is something that a lot of people struggle with. I know myself, I've struggled with this. Getting meals in while you're on the go, while you're busy doing other things, whether it be school or work, whatever it may be. But people are busy. I understand. You got things going on, obviously. You have lives outside of bodybuilding, outside of health and fitness. So it's good to still reach your health and fitness goals and also get your other work done. So, the first point that I have is something that I say to myself a lot and that I preach a lot to my clients is failing to prepare is preparing to fail. So what do I mean by that? It's pretty self-explanatory. If you fail to prepare your meals, you are preparing yourself for failure. So, with that being said, prepping your meals in advance when you have free time, whether it be on a Sunday, you prep all your meals for the week and just have them in the fridge or in the freezer. You just simply take them out of the fridge, put them in your lunchbox, take them to work, take them to school with you, whatever it may be. The way that I do it is I'll wake up and in the morning, after I go for like a walk or something, in the mornings, I'll just prep all of my meals, put them in the fridge, and then throughout the day, I will just either take them right out of my fridge, prep, and throw them in the microwave, or if I'm out at work, I just simply, eat them whenever, I feel hungry or whenever I need some protein in me. So that's the first thing that you can do. And it's what I would recommend. It's the best way to do things. But if you're really in a crunch for time, my next point is to pack small snacks like nuts, protein bars, protein shakes, and like beef jerky. Things that are quick, easy snacks, even like trail mix. Those are all good sources of like healthy fats, healthy proteins. Try getting those in every 2.5 to 4 hours while you're working, so that protein synthesis can work its magic and do its thing. So you're getting your protein feeds throughout the day. Latest of 6 hours in between meals and in between your protein. If you're gonna do a protein shake, like probably drink a protein shake like halfway through your shift or something, and then like, let's say you're working 8 hours, do like every 3 hours or so. Do 3 hours in, you have some protein, another 3 hours, let's say you snack on some beef jerky, and then right before you leave, I guess, have some trail mix or something. Just those healthy sources of protein and fats to hold you over until you can actually get a real meal in you when you get home. So don't, go out and get fast food or do things like that, because that's not going to help you with your goals. You know what I mean? So with that being said, failing to prepare is preparing to fail. I hope this helped. I have a link to my coaching first link in the description. Also, I'm thinking about starting a Discord server, so if anyone would be interested in that, drop a comment below. So yeah, that's all I have for today. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.